Greetings and salutations. So I started a little YouTube channel, or actually, I should say, I created a new channel based around a new content type, and I had been merging some of my content together, and then I had realized, based off of some algorithm stuff, that I should really just divide it up. So this is my attempt at dividing up, and I got a package in the mail, and I'm not 100% sure what the package is because I've been going through a little bit of a watch fetish lately. And so I think this is one of the projects that I had ordered, and I wanted to see well, I mean, talk about the cheapest possible packaging imaginable. This is crazy. It's just tape in a styrofoam box. Let's see. And I'm pretty sure this came across the overseas. Can I see this okay? Let's see what this is. And it is, let's see what this looks like. Oh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This was a test project. Oh. Oh, I see. I don't know if you can make that out or not. Oh, snap. Look at that. Look at that. That's actually pretty legit. Oh, I'm fogging it up. I'm fogging it up with excitement. So this is just your basic. Let's do a little loom test on it and see what. Oh, I made a mess. I made a mess. That's just your basic 3, 6, and 9. It's kind of an explorer type case slash watch. And let me turn the light down so that way we can see if there's a little bit of an loom variant. Let me see here if is there a loom? I can't tell if there's a loom or not. Hold on, let me find it better. I know, right? Excellent YouTube production. Let me see here. Get one of my little flashlights. Don't tell me you're dead already. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this thing charged because it's supposed to be a loom, but let's see. It does have a loom, but it's so minuscule. Can I turn this off? Will this turn off? What if I do this? Nope. I just changed the camera. That's not what I want to do. You can see though. You can see. Oh, it won't pick up the. trying to get that loom. Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible. I have to figure out a solution for the problem is there's a ring. There's a ring around the uh, hmm. Let's see what this movement. And so this is a and that thing is on there tight. Okay, it is a screw down case. Okay. And so let's see here. Let's just see what this feels like. Okay. Okay, the winding feels good. Oh wow, the winding feels good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Is that a ghost? No, all the way out. Okay, well, what do we got here? So this is I got six. No, 524. So 5. What do we got here? We got 521. 26, yeah, 526. 526. Okay. And what I need to do is I need to put a little red band on it. And that bezel does not feel, that's a wind. There we go. I felt like, kind of felt like it was cross-threaded a little bit there when I started. Okay. Wow. Me, you know, kind of need to change the font up a little bit. Can I make this out? Let me see. This is a custom job. Okay. All right. All right. Very nice. Okay. Thanks for watching.